হ্যালো ভিয়ার্স, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আরেকটি স্ট্রাকচার, আরেকটি সেন্টেন্স যার নাম ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্স। Interrogative sentence, if you want to write down the structure of interrogative sentence, so firstly you should write subject, then asked, then object. After that, if the sentence is WH question, start WH question, then you should write WH word. Or if the sentence start with auxiliary verb, then you should write if. After that if, and after that WH question, you should write subject and verb plus others. For example, teacher said to me, "Why are you doing it?" So this sentence start with WH word. So the answer is the teacher asked me why I was doing it. Another example, he said to me, "Are you happy?" So this sentence start with auxiliary verb. He said to me, "If I was happy." I hope you have understood. Assalamu alaikum.